Yeah, yeah. When they tell you they love you, that they really mean that shit? Or should I tell them fuck you, and you should eat a mean ass dick? Fuck these motherfuckers, I ain't never been no trip. And fuck these motherfuckers, I ain't never been no bitch. Why these hoes wanna play? Why these hoes wanna holler my name? These bitches know I don't play. These bitches know I don't play when I say that I love you. I gave all of my emotions to you, and I swear it's because I'm feeling this way. You got me feeling down. You got me feeling happy, but you got me feeling this frown. And fuck you, bitch, you ain't here when I'm down. So fuck you, bitch, and I'm moving around. So fuck you, bitch, and I hope I found someone better than you. Hope I found someone better than you. I keep my faith in God, and I'ma ride, yeah, until the very day I die. Never gonna think twice or ever wondering why I had to fucking leave you. Never needed you by my side. You wasn't there to hold my head. You wasn't there to wipe my tears when I cried. Survival of the fittest. I don't give a fuck. Ain't nobody gon' fuck with a nigga like me. Ain't no nigga wanting that beef, cause I heat that nigga up like I was coming with heat. Know what I mean? Know what I say? Yeah, know I don't play. I grab the mic and I'll say the shit that you like. I'll fuck your motherfucker baby mother. I kill her tonight. I'm killing that pussy. I'ma kill it, don't push me. You motherfuckers talking that shit, but you really just pussies, huh? Now I'm for old Texas and I'm reppin' that reckless. Yo, pale white face and a T shine bright. Yo, got me think about it all day, all night, and goddamn shit. Alright. Yeah, fuck these motherfuckers, I ain't never loving no bitch. And fuck these other niggas, I don't think I'm ever gonna switch. Fuck these player hate niggas, they can eat a dick. And fuck these motherfuckers if they don't like Rick. Yo, Young Tune, yo, me, shit. I'm off the top of the dome, I'm crazy insane. I ain't never played no game, and I ain't never done this shit. But a motherfucking fortune and famer, blowing up, trying to be a star. Somebody remember my name, remember me that I don't play. I load up my AK, I'll end up in a motherfucking fuck up the worst day. You can't motherfucking hurt me, you can't motherfucking murk me. Niggas talking all that shit, talking down, but you ain't worthy. Now, can you feel me? Can you hear me? Can you motherfucking fucking tell me why you wanna lie to me, dirty bitch? You wanna change, you wanna switch, and you ain't about shit. I'm faithful, I keep my faith in God, but I gotta remember after all you motherfucking bitches ain't talking about shit. You fucking hoes, you try to play a nigga, but don't you ever try to run up or try to say a nigga was trying to do you dirty. Yeah, bitch, you felt fucking heard me. I don't give a fuck, I told you motherfuckers, you ain't worthy. You'll never be a man like me. I'll shoot you down, gun down, and I'll make sure I see. I'll put you in your fucking casket, flowers in the basket. I'm riding around town with a motherfucking plastic. Man just got drastic. I put them on the stretcher, now they zip them up in plastic. Put them in the casket, flowers in the basket. Rolling around town with a motherfucking plastic. Asking God to please count my blessings. I'm looking at my... Yeah. 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 Have you ever been hated or discriminated against? I have. I've been protested and demonstrated against. Pick a tie for my wicked rhymes. Look at the time. See, it's the kid who's behind those. All this emotion exploding. Oceans exploding. Flaring from Paris and blow them off. Keep going, I'm taking nothing from no one. Give them how long as I'm breathing. Kicking ass in the morning and taking names in the evening. Leaving towers that put their gun in their mouth so they can trigger me.